Welcome to the amazing world of logistics, a world that never sleeps, a world that is always in motion, a world that is beautifully invisible as we go on and live our everyday lives. The unsung backbone of the entire Indian economy, logistics works around the clock to seamlessly connect our lives with everything that we can want or need.
If the 20th century was the era of IT and of retail, I definitely say that the decade of 2020 is going to be the era of logistics and supply chain.
If you look at the industries, be it the banking industry, be it the manufacturing industry, be it the consumer, the energy industry, everybody is looking out for supply chain professionals.
And yet, in India, there is a massive gap between the supply and demand in the industry when it comes to trained manpower. Safe Educate was launched by Safe Express to fulfill this ever-increasing and varied demand for skilled workforce in this sector. Safe Express is India's largest supply chain and logistics company. With its fleet of over 4,000 GPS-enabled vehicles and a network of over 620 destinations, Safe Express covers every square inch of India. Safe Educate has its training reach in over 52 cities across the country and has trained over 20,000 students across India.
I think Safe Educate is definitely going to be the partner and a key player when it comes to training people for this sector.
Warehouse operator training in say the US or Europe would be maybe at a skill level 5, but that's because everybody there is already at a skill level 4 and is happy to move up one notch. In those kind of trainings in India won't work because everybody is at ground level 0. So what Safe Educate has done is really understood what a skill level 1 is, developed that, is imbibing that into students, working towards skill level 2 to take up that notch even further. And literally when you see the students who are coming out of Safe Educate, they just fit their roles perfectly well.
Safe Educate is a skilling partner of the National Skill Development Corporation or NSDC, Government of India. NSDC aims to skill over 150 million people by 2022, and Safe Educate as a partner has begun with new learning initiatives and vocational trainings across the length and breadth of the country. The courses at Safe Educate have been accredited by the Chartered Institute of Logistics and Transport or CILT. The premier body in the field of logistics and transport, CILT operates worldwide and has over 33,000 members in over 100 countries. The course materials have been created by industry experts, and even our trainers have years of industry experience. The practical orientation and on-floor experience at our state-of-the-art hubs gives the participants an edge over the rest.
I got recruited through campus placements, wherein I've developed myself from an executive role to where I am right now. I'm actually managing corporate strategy projects and that to end to end.
After completion of my MBA, I was looking for a job. I came to know about Safe Educate through newspaper ads. I did their 3-month certificate course in logistics excellence, and this course really helped me to understand the industry.
I feel that's the beauty of this industry. It gives you the opportunity to explore, to grow. You can work across the country, you can work across continents.
We require people who have analytical abilities, people who have the skills to see things in a different light, people who have the skills to do things differently. We need people who are more creative so that solutions that are customized and given to customers can be even more effective.
For us at Safe Express, Safe Educate has been a great boon. We just literally tell them what kind of students we're looking for or what kind of employees we're looking for in the long run. They work on it and they've found us always the best candidates going forward, people who've made a difference in the industry.
Through this certification course, we can bridge the gap between supply and demand of the skilled manpower.
It's been a really worthwhile journey, and I'm really delighted that I've taken that decision at that time.
Safe Educate has partnered with various industry giants so that students can find successful career opportunities.
The career opportunities in logistics are far, wide and available. and it's only up to the individual to make up his mind to know more about the industry, to be trained and to pick up every little training and opportunity that he can so that he can start making a better and more beautiful career for himself.
Costs are rising phenomenally, and the only way that companies can make money today is if they very strongly control their supply chain. And we do see going forward supply chain managers becoming more and more important parts of the clog of the machinery of businesses as we know of them. Come, join the revolution.